Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to set up and install GeoServer on Windows Server 2019 in GCP. Well, first of all, come to this page where we have image with GeoServer on Windows Server for GCP. With this image, you will get all the prerequisite and all the needed things that you might need in your Windows Server related to your GeoServer. So just come here and the link is given in the description of this video. After that, click on this launch button. It will take you to a page something like this. From here, give your deployment name. You can name it anything. I'll name it as GeoServer. Then select your zone. You can go with anyone as per your liking. Then have your machine type. Scroll down and leave everything as it is. From here, accept it and click on deploy. Now it will start deploying your virtual machine. Let this process get complete and then we'll move ahead. We are done here with the deployment and now you can see RDP. Along with that, we have a drop down arrow. Just click on it and click on set Windows password. Here, give the username that you want to give and make sure you remember it as well. I'll name it as rabbit_mq. And everything should be in small letters. After that, click on set and now it will give you a password. Make sure and remember that password as well. Here it is. I'll just copy this one. Let's close it and now go to this navigation menu and after that go to compute engine. Here we have our virtual machine and from here copy this external IP address. Now search for remote desktop connection and just click on it from your system and copy the IP address and paste the IP address that you have just copied. Click on connect and now it will ask you about your username and password. Give the username. Mine was rabbit_mq. In terms of password, write the password or paste it that you have copied earlier. After that, click on OK. And in case if everything goes well, you will see this prompt. Do not worry, click on yes. And now it will open Windows Server remotely onto our machine. And here you can see it is opening it up and it is starting. Let it get open and then we'll move ahead. So here we are, it is up and running. Now click on this start geo file that is onto your desktop by default and just double click on it. It will start your server. Let it get complete and then we'll move ahead. And here if you see here it says started. So it means it is up and running. Now I'll just close this one and now I'll open its web console. So I'll just double click on the icon that is given on the desktop. And from here we have to provide the username and password. Well, username is password and in terms of your password, you have to go back. Come to your GCP and from here click on your virtual machine. In case if you do not see this, go to your navigation menu and click on compute engine. After that, click on your virtual machine. I'll just do that and now it will show me all the information related to it. Down here if you see here it says instance ID. Now what we need to do, we need to copy this instance ID and now it will work like a password for us. In here, I'll just paste that password and I'll click on login. Now I'll be able to access all the services from this web console. So let's wait for it. And here you can see we have everything available. Here we have different sections. This one is about logs, information and status. Down here we have data, then we have services and then we have some settings that we can perform. We also have users, roles and groups. Here you can see in case if you want to remove some users or you want to add some users, you can do so. Here you can create user group services, you can define different roles, you can define different groups as well. So that was all about it and I hope now that you must have liked watching this video. And don't forget to check out the page that has been given in the description of this video about how to set up Cloud GeoServer on Windows Server in GCP. This is the page and here we have all the information that we need. And don't forget to check out the link for the image for GeoServer for GCP as well. And if you have any query, please leave it in a comment below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next video.